All right. This is Bethel Garden Estate, Naneke Ono, in the Enugu East local government. It's one of the cheapest COFO property in Naneke Ono. So now I just launched your estate currently, or a buy and build estate. Sorry, or mainly for investments. But the area now I appreciate it rapidly due to projects not around this side. That are all for investment, but the area is appreciating. Each investment property will in the next few months will appreciate very fast. Here government, federal government projects, African Institute of something around this estate, almost just opposite this Bethel Garden. So here are the estates, all the table land and all very sharp for investment purpose. The documents of general COFO and the allocation. So general COFO and then deed of assignment and power of attorney, and also your register survey plan. Right, so about I'm going to 2.5 now. Then 5 million about the actual price, but some of 2.5 for a launch sale. Right, so only like it by then you can call me so that I can give you more details about it and also bring you for an inspection. Okay, for now, thank you. From here to the major town road, just about 35 seconds. Okay, so you like warm my phone so that I'll help you secure some plots here at this pre-launch price. Up for 7 days. Got 5 million naira. So people are already living around. There's projects. People are already living around. Right. It's a nice place to be, to invest in this period with 2.5. So this is Land Doctor reporting live at Nike Ono in Bethel Garden Estate. Okay, that's it. Bethel Garden Estate, Nike Ono. It's a very nice property here. The COFO. At the very table, there is no undulating surface or waterlog. The sharp. So if you are looking for an investment property, very genuine, I recommend this for you. Either you are in the diaspora or you are in Nigeria, this is one of the best buy here in the city of Enugu. Okay. By December, I'm gonna at least 7 million. Or by next year, 7 million by early next year. So do well not to miss it, and then can reach out to me so that I can help you secure this place at this pre-launch sale. Thank you. Bye bye.